Hello kids, today we will learn birds' name. Flamingo, Flamingo, flamingo. Seagull, Seagull, seagull. Peacock, Peacock, peacock. Parrot, Parrot, parrot. Vulture, Vulture, vulture. Pigeon, Pigeon, pigeon. Swan, Swan, swan. Woodpecker, Woodpecker, woodpecker. Penguin, Penguin, penguin. Nightingale, Nightingale, nightingale. Hummingbird, Hummingbird, hummingbird. Owl, owl. Duck, duck. Bat, bat. If you like the video, subscribe, share and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Thank you.